The trial of Christopher SCHURR continued Tuesday with the prosecution calling more witnesses to testify. The former Grand Rapids police officer is charged with second-degree murder in the death of Patrick Lyoya, whom he shot in the back of the head following a traffic stop in 2022. We do want to warn you, some of the images used in our coverage of the trial may be graphic. Fox 17's Sam Lanstra has the latest from the courthouse. Sam.
Yes, Samantha, a reasonable officer in a situation similar to Christopher SCHURR's would not have fired his gun. That is what an expert witness said today during testimony here at 17th Circuit Court in downtown Grand Rapids. Seth Stoughton, a professor of law and a former police officer, studies how police officers' own actions can sometimes put themselves in danger. In this case, Stoughton said that SCHURR put himself at risk when he ran after Lyoya during the traffic stop, disregarding the passenger in the car. And regarding the use of deadly force, he said this.
In order to justify a use of deadly force, it's generally accepted in policing that there has to be an imminent threat of death or great bodily harm. In my opinion, that was lacking in this case.
Now, Tuesday, an expert on tasers also took the stand, and according to their testimony, SCHURR unsuccessfully discharged his taser twice during a struggle that preceded the shooting. This meant the taser could only be used in something called a drive stun, which is when the device is pressed up against someone as a way to shock but not completely incapacitate them. Given this, the defense claimed that SCHURR was still reasonably in fear for his life.
It's designed to be less lethal, but in the hands of a person who's not trained on it or someone who has ill intent, it could be dangerous.
Now when court broke this afternoon, the prosecution's final witness they had planned to call was still doing their testimony. So we will pick back up here again tomorrow morning with the continuation of that testimony. And they too are an expert in police tactics and use of force. The defense, who I'm told could call as many as 40 potential witnesses, has yet to call any of those to the stand. So the trial will likely continue for at least an additional day, two, and could be even to next week. That's how long the jury has been told that they will perhaps be needed for this case. But for now, in downtown Grand Rapids, Sam Lanstra, Fox 17 News.